How to set up payments on Shopify in a breeze. In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify payments in under 5 minutes. It's actually simpler than you think. Let's go. Step 1. Go to Settings. Log into your Shopify admin. Click Settings in the bottom left corner. Step 2. Click Payments in Settings. Click Payments. You'll see your payment options page. Step 3. Click Complete Account Setup. Under Shopify Payments, click Complete Account Setup. This starts the activation process. Step 4. Enter your business info. Shopify asks for basic details: your full name, your business type, sole proprietor, partnership, corporation, etc. Enter everything. Click Continue. Step 5. Add your bank account. Shopify needs a bank account for payouts. Enter your bank account number, routing number, and account holder name. Make sure this is the same account your business uses. Shopify verifies it and deposits small test amounts to confirm it's valid. Step 6. Add your tax information. Enter your tax ID. In the US, this is your SSN if you're a sole proprietor or your EIN if you're incorporated. In other countries, provide your equivalent tax number. Shopify verifies this. Step 7. Accept the agreement. Read the Shopify Payments Agreement. Check the box confirming you accept the terms. Click Confirm Setup. Step 8. Wait for verification. Shopify verifies your information. This usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. You might see a verification message. Once approved, Shopify Payments is active on your store. Step 9. Configure your payment methods. Once activated, you'll see a list of payment methods. By default, Shopify enables credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Shop Pay, PayPal. You can disable any method you don't want. Most merchants leave them all enabled. Step 10. Test the checkout. Before going live, test your checkout. Go to your store, add a product to your cart, try checking out, use your real payment method, complete a test purchase. Make sure everything works. Refund the test order. That's it. Your Shopify Payments is now active. You can accept payments immediately. Common mistakes to avoid: don't enter the wrong bank account. Verify your account number twice. Wrong account means you won't receive payouts. Don't forget your tax ID. Shopify requires it for compliance. Without it, your account won't activate fully. Don't skip the verification step. Sometimes Shopify needs additional documents. Check your email and respond quickly. Payment methods explained: credit and debit cards. Customers enter card details at checkout. Most transactions. Digital wallets: Apple Pay, Google Pay, Shop Pay. One-click checkout, faster. PayPal: customers who prefer PayPal, good for trust. Buy now, pay later, Affirm Afterpay options, increases average order value. Pro tips: you're charged transaction fees only on successful purchases, not on declined cards. Payouts hit your bank account every 1 to 2 business days. Shopify Payments includes fraud protection automatically. No extra cost. Summary settings: payments, complete account setup, enter business info, add bank account, add tax ID, accept agreement. Wait for verification. Configure payment methods, test checkout, done. You're accepting payments. If this helped you set up Shopify Payments, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me you've got your payments running. Thanks for watching.